Hey guys, the other day one of my clients was talking about how after an adjustment, how he feels lighter on his feet, the colors seem more vibrant, and really got me thinking about the whole connection process of an adjustment. When we receive a neural stimulus into the body through an adjustment, it shifts our body from a state of stress to a point of ease. And that's the big thing about an adjustment. When our body is less stressed and our body's more comfortable, then all the systems in the body work better. Our muscular system is more efficient, our contractions are more powerful, and our sensory organs like our eyes and our ears, they all work at a higher level as well. So another great reason to make sure you're getting adjusted and keeping that body functioning at a high level.